Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from STS Manufacturing Private Limited for the quality department. So 7 openings are available for this position. It is for only male candidates. So BE candidates and diploma candidates are eligible to apply. So it is for both freshers and experienced candidates, and salary would be negotiable. And you can go through with the address details mentioned here to apply for this position. And if you are interested to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, that is personal@stsmpl.in.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.